Are you feeling the pinch of a tight budget? Struggling to make ends meet and still save for your future? You're not alone. Many people find themselves balancing precariously on a financial tightrope, wondering how to stretch their dollars further. But what if I told you there are effective ways to manage this stress? In this video, we'll explore 10 proven strategies that can help you save money quickly, even when funds are tight. These aren't just tips, they're actionable steps that can make a real difference in your financial life. And if you stick with us until the end, you'll discover a transformative bonus tip that could change the way you handle your finances overnight. So, let's embark on this journey together, tackling financial stress and paving the way toward greater financial security and peace of mind. With each strategy, you'll find yourself more empowered and in control of your money. Ready to take the first step? Let's dive into these solutions that promise not just relief, but a brighter, more financially stable future. Stay tuned as we guide you through each strategy, building a stronger financial foundation. Living on a tight budget can feel like you're walking on a financial tightrope. One wrong step and everything collapses. But there's a way to regain control, by tracking your spending habits meticulously. Imagine knowing exactly where every dollar goes and how each expense impacts your financial health. Using apps that categorize expenses can make this task effortless, providing a clear picture of your financial outflow. This newfound awareness helps you identify areas where you can cut back, ensuring you're not just surviving, but thriving. By understanding your spending patterns, you empower yourself to make informed decisions, paving the way for financial stability. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Stay tuned as we explore more strategies to enhance your savings journey, like the 24-hour rule, which could prevent those impulse buys from derailing your progress. Imagine you're just about to hit buy now on that tempting online deal. But wait, here's where the 24-hour rule steps in. Instead of rushing into a purchase, pause and give yourself a day to reflect. This simple act of delayed gratification can be a game changer in preventing impulse buys. By allowing time for consideration, you can differentiate between needs and fleeting wants. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. This strategy not only curbs unnecessary spending, but also aligns with a broader goal of financial stability. As you pause, envision your savings growing rather than depleting. After all, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial peace of mind. Stay with us as we explore more practical ways to save money fast on a tight budget. Next up, we delve into creating a no-spend challenge, an empowering way to reclaim control over your finances. Let's dive into the first strategy to kickstart your savings journey with a challenge, a no-spend challenge. This is about stepping up to the plate and daring yourself to avoid spending on anything but the essentials. Imagine a week or even a month where you focus only on the necessities like rent, utilities, and groceries. Everything else? Put it on pause. It's an exercise in self-discipline that not only cuts down unnecessary expenses, but also shifts your mindset towards mindful spending. You'll find yourself questioning what truly matters, reshaping your financial habits for the better. It's a powerful way to break the cycle of impulse buying and build a stronger financial foundation. As you embark on this challenge, remember, it's not just about saving money, it's about taking control of your financial future. Up next, we'll explore another strategy that's sure to transform your budgeting game: meal planning and batch cooking. Imagine stepping into your kitchen, not feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of daily meal decisions. Instead, picture a neatly organized plan where every meal is laid out, saving you both time and money. This is the power of meal planning. By thoughtfully preparing your meals in advance, you not only cut down on the stress of what to cook, but also save significant dollars by avoiding last-minute takeout. Now, add the concept of batch cooking. It's a game changer. Cook once, eat multiple times. This strategy not only ensures you're reducing food waste, but also gives you more free time during the week to focus on other financial goals. These simple yet effective techniques can help you keep more cash in your pocket while maintaining a balanced diet. So, why not give it a try? Up next, we'll talk about trimming those unnecessary subscriptions that quietly drain your bank account. In our modern world, it's easy to sign up for countless subscriptions, often without a second thought. Streaming services, online memberships, and fitness apps all add up quickly. But here's a savvy move. Take a moment to review your monthly expenses. Are there services you barely use? Cancel those subscriptions you don't really need. Focus on what truly matters and cut out the clutter. By trimming down these recurring expenses, you're freeing up money that could be better spent or saved. It's a straightforward way to tighten your budget and regain control over your finances. This small step can lead to significant savings over time. Up next, we'll explore how to declutter your space and your life by selling unused items, turning them into extra cash. Stay tuned and keep building towards financial freedom. Got a closet full of things you haven't used in years? It's time to turn that clutter into cash. By selling unused items, you can generate extra money without any additional effort. Consider hosting a garage sale or using online platforms to reach a wider audience. This simple step not only clears up space, but also adds to your savings. Remember, every little bit counts when you're managing a tight budget. So look around your home, identify what you don't need, and start selling today. This strategy is not just about making money, it's about making the most of what you already have. As we continue, let's explore another effective way to grow your savings and ease financial stress. Imagine a world where saving becomes second nature, effortlessly woven into your daily routine. By automating your savings, you take the guesswork out of financial planning. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, creating a seamless habit that requires no extra thought or effort. This strategy not only builds a robust financial cushion, but also instills discipline, making saving an integral part of your life. As you watch your savings grow, you'll feel empowered, knowing that you're proactively securing your financial well-being. This simple yet powerful approach transforms the way you manage money, providing peace of mind and stability. Now let's explore how utilizing cashback and coupons can further amplify your savings journey, turning everyday purchases into opportunities for financial gain. Did you know you can save a significant amount on your everyday purchases by simply using cashback offers and coupons? These are not just perks, but powerful tools in your financial toolkit. Whether it's groceries, online shopping, or dining out, look for cashback offers that give you a percentage back on what you spend. It's like getting a discount after you've already paid. And then there are coupons, those little bits of gold that can cut your costs on everything from food to clothing. Embrace the habit of seeking out these savings opportunities before you buy. By doing so, you're not just spending less, you're maximizing every dollar. As we continue our journey through these strategies, remember, each tip brings you closer to mastering your budget and achieving financial peace. Next, we'll explore how negotiating your bills can lead to even more savings. Negotiating your bills is an often overlooked strategy that can lead to significant savings. Don't be afraid to pick up the phone and contact your service providers. Whether it's your internet, phone, or even utilities, there's usually a better deal waiting for those who ask. By simply reaching out, you can lower your monthly costs and free up extra cash for other needs. It's about taking control of your financial situation, leveraging your position as a loyal customer, and securing better rates. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned, and in the world of budgeting, that can make all the difference. Transitioning into our next method, we'll explore how finding free alternatives can further stretch your budget, keeping more money in your pocket. Imagine a world where you no longer need to pay for services that can be found for free. Yes, it's possible. Our next strategy is all about finding free alternatives. Dive into the vast pool of free resources available online and offline. From free software and apps to open source platforms, the options are endless. Instead of subscribing to costly services, explore free trials or community-driven projects that offer similar functionalities. Libraries, community centers, and even local events often provide free learning opportunities and entertainment. By replacing paid services with these no-cost options, you're not just saving money, you're unlocking a treasure trove of possibilities without spending a dime. Stay tuned as we reveal a transformative bonus tip that could change your financial outlook overnight. Embrace the power of free and let it pave the way to a more financially secure future. As we journey through the 10 proven ways to save money, it's time to reveal our transformative bonus tip. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a whole new perspective on your finances. This tip isn't just about saving a few extra dollars, it's about revolutionizing your entire approach to money management. By leveraging this strategy, you can set the stage for a financial transformation that lasts a lifetime. It's about taking control and making your money work harder for you. So stay tuned, because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Now let's dive into this powerful tip that promises to impact your financial journey in ways you never imagined. Ready to transform your finances overnight? Let's get started. Up next, discover how this simple yet effective approach can lead you to financial freedom, setting the path for achieving your goals with confidence and ease. As we reach the conclusion of our journey, remember, each of these strategies is a stepping stone on your path to financial freedom. By adopting these proven methods, you're not just saving money, you're empowering yourself to take control of your financial future. So why wait? Begin implementing these tips today and watch your savings grow. But don't keep this journey to yourself. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and any additional tips you might have. Together, we can build a community where everyone thrives financially. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Remember, every small step counts. With each action you take, you're getting closer to breaking free from financial stress. So take that step today, and let's achieve financial freedom together.